Dear team, today we will talk about iManager. Remember, at the end of this video, we will ask you 3 questions and you will have to submit their answers to your trainer. Vivo smartphones having FunTouch OS are loaded with lots of productive apps. We are going to talk about iManager in this video. iManager is one of the most useful apps in Vivo smartphone. The internal features may differ according to the OS version of Vivo device. Touch iManager icon to open it. You can see multiple functions here: one-touch optimization, space cleanup, security detection, data monitor, app manager, etc. Space cleanup is useful for detection of useless files, data or APK, etc. It helps you in freeing up space smartly. Security detection helps you keep security of your device up to date. It is an inbuilt antivirus and anti-malware feature of Vivo smartphones. For example, the warning given for an untrusted app present on this device. Data Monitor. Data Monitor helps you to keep track of data usage of your smartphone. Some other key benefits are network speed details, network management, data saving mode. App Manager. From here, we can manage the installed apps and install latest apps or games from Vivo App Store. Apart from this, we also have block unwanted, app encryption, easy share, digital well-being, battery management, phone cooling, file safe box, and more options. We also have record settings, which allows us to manage call recording settings. We also have option to access 2 more functions from here: payment safe box, easy share. Almost all of you are aware about the functions and benefit of easy share. We will talk about it in details in a separate video. Now as we know about iManager, it's time to have a look at the benefits of iManager. Inbuilt app, fully loaded with lots of functions, easily manage device performance, free to use app, one-stop solution for a lot of other functions as well. It's quiz time. Question 1. What are any 3 sub-features of iManager? Question 2. Can we manage apps from iManager? Question 3. Do we have any one-touch optimization feature in iManager? Share the answers with your trainer. Thank you.